First, raise the fan blades to a certain angle, and slowly bring them close to the motor. Observe whether the holes correspond 1:1. After aligning the holes, gently press to see if it presses down easily and fits snugly. If there is too much resistance, stop pressing. Lift the fan blades to confirm that the holes and pins are not misaligned, and then repeat the above steps. After pressing, install the screws according to the corresponding holes. There are 6 large screws and 6 small screws in total. After installation, please check that the fan power is set to the correct setting. There are only 2 voltage settings here, 115 volts and 230 volts. Please check your local voltage and adjust to the appropriate setting before turning it on.